Hi Year 8, so lesson 7 in our war poetry unit, and today I'm going to ask you to be a lot more independent than you have been in some of the earlier lessons. So what I want you to do today is I want you to apply knowledge of historical context to a new poem. So this is where your learning from a previous lesson is going to be used in this lesson. I want you to read another ACE poem. I want you to show understanding of language and the effect it creates. I want you to show understanding of structure and the effect it creates. Okay, so those are our 4 objectives today. Now, this is your task. The poem that we're looking at today was written by Thomas Hardy. Okay, now we looked at Thomas Hardy in lesson 6. So in lesson 6, you learned about Thomas Hardy, his background, and the context of his war poetry. You should not do this lesson until you've completed lesson 6. So if you've not done lesson 6, stop this video here and go and do lesson 6. And when lesson 6 is completed, then come and do lesson 7. In lesson 7, you're going to answer the questions about this poem. It's a new poem without any help from me today. Okay, so it's just you. So you're just your brain, the poem, and the questions. That's what's going to be happening today. The only thing I'm going to tell you about the poem is that it was first published in 1899 and it was published again in a collection of poems in 1901. Okay, so it was written in 1899 or thereabouts, and it was published again in 1901. So here's the poem. It's called Drummer Hodge, and you can see on the left hand side of the screen, here it is, this is the poem here. Okay, so that's the poem, and you've got a copy of that in the Google Classroom folder as well. Then you've got here a glossary. Now this poem has got some tricky words in it, so I've saved you the hassle of having to go onto the internet and search up what these words mean. I've done that for you, and I've put the tricky words and the definition there. Okay, so make sure you read that glossary because that will help you understand some of the tricky words in the poem. And finally, at the top here, you've got the questions. Okay, and there are 7 questions. These questions are also in the document on the Google Classroom resources, so that you can have them on paper or on screen. Okay, so this whole screen of information that's on this video now is available to you in a document in Google Classroom. So it's up to you guys. You can either keep it on the video and pause the video here, or you can stop the video and look at the Google document that's in the classroom assignment that I've posted today. Okay guys, so I look forward to seeing your work. Good luck with this. Have a go at every question, and remember, if you've not done lesson 6, don't do lesson 7. Alright, good luck guys, take care.